for an hour already. Are you full?
Nah, guys.
Oh.
Look.
If
guys,
you're
guys,
full,
guys.
you lose the challenge.
I got this.
Back up some juice. Okay, so
He didn't hear anything. Dad said I'm gonna play some Fortnite.
yeah. So I'm
We
gonna
are doing
eat.
the Fortnite video tomorrow morning, so get caught up on that. Right?
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna cheat. I might eat some food. That don't make you full. Just drink. I'm not gonna spit it all over what I did last time. This is the mess. Wait. I know. That's the mess, so I'm not actually drink it. I've been drinking for an hour already. It's an hour already. Are you full?
No. This does not make me full, guys. I only made a smart choice, guys. This does not make me full.
Oh, this part will be like a million hours.
And guys,
Oh,
yeah, we do stay healthy. We do stay healthy every morning. Like every night we eat sugar, and in the morning we run like 5 laps, right?
yeah. And loser has to get slapped by the winner.
Nah,
Yeah.
we get 30 Robux.
No. 3 Robux and winner gets to slap the loser.
Nah, you ain't slapping me.
You know the win, boy.
Nah, no slapping.
Yeah. Winner gets to slap the loser. So I'm going to slap him. Yeah. Slapping doesn't
No
even help.
slapping.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Bye.